Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your graphics card performance or preferences for your games and software on your Windows 11 computer. So if you want to prioritize certain applications access to your GPU, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we're going to start off by right-clicking on the Start button, and you want to select Settings. Select Display on the right side. So again, you might have to select System and then select Display. On the right side, scroll down underneath Related Settings and select Graphics. At this point, you can go ahead and search the list. You can see your different apps have different Windows settings, and most of the time it's allowing Windows to automatically decide them. You can see Find an app in the list and select it, and then choose Custom Graphics Setting for it. You might need to restart the app for your changes to take effect. If you go ahead and select, let's say Microsoft Edge here, and you select Options, you can go ahead and select if you want to do high performance, power saving, or just let Windows decide. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. And like I said, you can bump it up to high performance for certain applications. And that's about it. So you select Save, and you should be good to go. And if you wanted to reset it back to default, you can just select it and then select Reset, and then it'll go back to the default setting. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.